Greetings, friends. We are here on the number 6 local train. It's Palm Sunday, heading up to church, and this car is an R62A. These cars are 40 years old. These are some of the oldest cars on the IRT or the A division system. And right now we just left the 59th Street station, and we're going to head to 68, and from there we'll take a walk down to St. Vincent's. It's Sunday morning. It's about 11:30. The transit system's kind of busy for a Sunday morning. It's a beautiful day. People are getting out and about. This is part of the original first subway lines, the IRT system, and we're right now we're under Lexington Avenue. And the station we're getting off of has been redone. It's got some, I guess, modernist touches from, the 80s. It looks like there's more construction going on. Car train, about 510 feet long. So we have a couple of my beloved sky bridges here. This is connecting Hunter College, and we just got a short walk down to the church. And this brick building on the right here is the Armory. Another one, I believe, still on the same street down at 23rd Street. I've never been inside this one. I've been in the other one for like a charity boxing match. Friends, if you're ever on the Upper East Side, you need or you want to go to church, this is a very beautiful, I think the style is like French Gothic. And it's right at 66th Street and Lexington Avenue. And since we're getting to church, I'm going to have to shut the phone down. So I want to thank everyone for watching, and have a great day.